Why are we still here? Just to suffer?
Hey there, it's official. This is the first time I've arrived at school before anybody else has gotten in my department. No thanks to that one guy that's always here before me, so I don't get a chance to talk to you like I'm talking to you now, despite my broken teeth. How did I get the broken teeth, you ask? I was eating tab the other day, thought something was stuck in my teeth. So I put my hand in my mouth and I was digging it out like a vile human being I am, and dug out my teeth. I had my cousin take a picture of the teeth inside my mouth that was broken, and it was not good. So today is Wednesday and I'm here for my 2 classes. Today I have Adulting 102, and as I always said about the class, they're teaching me how to adult, which is what I should be doing, but I don't know how to do. And I am building now, which is my least favorite course because it involves a lot of reading, and I love to read, I really do. It's just that reading about this building law stuff is really boring. I'm gonna wait until the classroom is less spooky, or at least until someone is here with me. You know what I've just realized? I've never done a what's in my bag, so let me do it today since I have the whole place to myself and it's kind of getting creepy in here, to be honest. In my bag I have this purse that is from my aunt, my Lenovo headphones, cinnamon roll, my keys, and a pop socket. It's a Paw Patrol pop socket. There's Twisted 8 by Anna Hong. I've just started reading this. I've read the 2 series before this one, so this is my 3rd. There's my tablet. I put on this pop socket last night. There's my drawing book. Have I ever showed you guys my drawings? I'm gonna show you my drawings after I do what's in my bag. In the side part, there is a blue gelling pen for drawing. There's a black gelling pen for drawing. There's a pencil for drawing. 2 spare batteries for the camera. There's another blue gelling pen that I didn't know was in there. And there's this basic black pen, a portable charger. And as for bag accessories, this came with the bag. I call it a star, and it's a genital parts. If someone walked in on me, they'd be like, what is she doing? And I'd be like, I don't know. Is this what my life has amounted to? Speaking to myself, talking to a camera. Unbelievable. If someone had told me in high school that I'd be talking to a camera, I'd probably believe them because, you know, I wouldn't put anything past me. I'm not really normal appearance. Yeah, that's in my bag. Oh yeah, let me show you guys now what's in my drawing book. To help myself feel free from the restraints of life, I've decided to draw whatever comes to mind. There's the sky again. Like, wonder why you always feel the need for each year when we reach here.
Jeez, I'm gonna say, alright, I'm gonna say that,
You find me annoying? You don't want me to be here? I'll show you guys this at a later time.
This my shit.
So you move, but you just say that move.
One more, so you know.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Oh my God, what is that? Oh
Oh my God!
Living to
What
the
is that?
Take your education seriously, guys.
Hello guys, welcome back to. Why my ear looks so crazy? Jesus! Welcome back to Ashley's World, featuring Elmer, Big Bird, Big Bird. Anyways, tomorrow is national, guys. Pray for me. Pray for me.
I wish you luck from home.
Yeah. Is that make me look nice? Yeah.
So in this podcast, we have
Not a podcast channel.
ma'am.
Okay.
In this vlog, then we have me. Hi.
Handsomest man alive.
No, the way I put on the camera. It's about advertising.
You're holding yourself.
He's physically challenged.
I guess you did.
Why you so
Every certain time.
Alright. Yo,
Hi, guys.
careful. The camera, be careful in here.
Alright, Vigilante. Stoner. That's his name. And baby father working from the stove and the crib. Emptyless because your name full more, so opposite. Hi Marcus. Marcus. Anyways, we have Gertrude and Chocolate Baby. And Smurf, guys. Papa Smurf. No, the one, yeah. And Sister Craig. Yeah.
Come on, jump on.
Yeah, come on, some.
Oh, wait, come on there. After dance.
I don't know for dance.
Bingo, bango, bungle, I'm so happy in the jungle, I refuse to go.
It's like an old man at church.
What's up, guys? Hey, guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're here with the
Yes,
game.
it is.
You're not even to yourself.
Make sure you guys stay tuned, subscribe, like the video.
Calm down.